Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. So a couple things. We got all the brakes for the E92. Brake pads, brake sensor, and rotors. I'm going to change the brakes this weekend. I'll make sure I bring you guys along. So please subscribe if you want to know how to change the brakes on your E92. It's very simple. It's going to take a couple hours, but we'll get the brakes changed. So today's going to be a bit of a short video. I just wanted to announce a giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be giving one of you lucky viewers a free windshield banner. Just like my Bavarian Brigade, you guys are going to get to pick any banner of your choice. Just got to let me know what you want, what vehicle it's going on, and I'll ship it out to you. I'll deliver it wherever you're located. I'll make sure that you get the banner. I'm going to be giving away the banner when I hit 1,000 subscribers. What do you have to do to win? It's very simple. It's not going to cost you nothing. You just have to subscribe. Go to my Instagram page, HQ_BMW. Find this post, like it, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Get the word out there. As soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, one of you lucky winners are going to win the free banner. And a free banner of your choice. What's not better than free? I'll get it to you guys. I'll ship it out to you. Wherever you're located, I will send you a banner. Just got to follow those steps. I'll link my Instagram below, and I'll put all the requirements below what I need you guys to do. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.